Hello and welcome back to the world of the spirit consciousness. This is the last part of the 8th module, which deals with the astral life when the physical body is asleep. We'll dive straight into our topics. We'll be discussing over here first sleepwalking, followed by trance as a special condition of sleep. So, coming to sleepwalking, the situation of sleepwalking, which is also known as somnambulism, may occur due to many different reasons. So it could be driven by the soul, it could be due to habit, it could be because one is possessed by an external entity, or it could happen because of the astral body's abnormally tight hold over the physical body, or because of what is called as unmanifest layers. So coming to sleepwalking, which is driven by the soul, the situation of sleepwalking or somnambulism may occur due to many different reasons. So, when the astral and the mental bodies are not present, the ego may function straight on the physical body. So, in such a situation, the person may be able to do activities with much greater ability than when awake, like writing poetry, painting pictures, etc. When it is driven by habit, so due to habit, the physical body may function beyond the control of the person. For example, servants waking up in the middle of the night to do habitual household chores, and to some extent, the sleeping body acting out the dominant idea thought of right before the person slept. So it could also happen because of being possessed. So an external entity, one with or without a physical body, may overpower the sleeping physical body for its own purposes. This usually occurs to mediumistic people whose bodies are comparatively joined more loosely and hence separated more easily. In ordinary people, the ego is always connected to the physical body. Hence, upon an attack attempt, the astral body is immediately called back in the ordinary people. So, astral body's abnormal tight hold over the physical body can also lead to sleepwalking. So, we had seen previously that um, a mediumistic person who has very weak control over the physical body, they may have a tendency to do sleepwalking. That's because um, they can get possessed relatively more easily. Now, an exact opposite situation can also have a similar result of sleepwalking. So, when the vehicles are more tightly held than the normal, the physical body cannot completely detach from the astral body. Due to this, instead of traveling only in the astral body, the person travels with the physical body too. So, coming to unmanifest layers, so not much is being said about it. So the complicated issue of several layers of consciousness in humans. This is one part. Second part is in ordinary situations, they may not be able to manifest themselves, and this may also lead to sleepwalking. So just to put it together, the concept of unmanifest layers. So it is a complicated issue that there are several different layers of consciousness in humans. Now, in ordinary situations, these layers may not manifest themselves. So this can also lead to sleepwalking. So coming to trance as a condition of sleep, a special condition of sleep. So trance is an artificially or abnormally caused state of sleep closely related to sleep life. So mediums and sensitive people easily move from the physical to astral body, often unconsciously. Then the astral body can perform its functions like astral travel to far away locations or collecting impressions from the nearby objects and carrying them to the physical body. So in mediums, With the help of the entranced physical body, the astral body can elaborate on the impressions. But as a rule, these impressions cannot be preserved once the medium is out of trance. Hence, no astral memory is stored in the physical brain. Sometimes, in rare cases, the astral body leaves traces on the physical brain. Hence, the medium is able to remember the knowledge gained while entranced. So with this, we come to the end of the 8th module. Our next module, we will discuss about dreams and continuity in consciousness. Stay tuned.